Alright, it is Monday again, and I am recording this separately. Obviously, you can tell because it is not linking up with my mouth. Alright, so again, my audio, for some reason, did not work. I never figured out why, but it is working now. Anyway, I still wanted to do this what sold section, so I'm just recording it separately. So this is a Panasonic DVD and VHS recorder. It's the DMR E75V, and it sold for $130. So here we have a Wowie charger base for a robotic dog. This sold for $20. Here's a Surf's Up California vintage snapback. This sold for $20 as well. This is a Canon CA920 power adapter, and this is a really good find. This sold for $125. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind thing that I found, and I wasn't sure how well it would sell. It took a couple months, but it is a box full of handwritten and hand-typed dance steps. So the stirring rod for a West Bend stir crazy. This is a Sony handheld recorder, sold for $15. This is a Bauer just helmet cage thing, sold for $20. This is a Enlight dimming power pack. I'm not really sure exactly how this is used, but it is new and it sold for $45. I don't like to sell scarves very often, but this is the brand is Fairweather, and it sold for $10. This is a Bedhead dual hair curler thing, $20. This is a Garmin just vehicle power adapter, and sold for $13. An Xbox Guitar Hero for $45. And I don't remember the total of everything, and I don't want to add it up right now, but I still want to do this. So there we go. That is what sold.